Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the future of remote team management with our full 2025 guide on how to coordinate remote teams using Airtable. Our first step is to create a central hub in Airtable. This is where you'll store all your project information, team updates, and schedules. Having a central hub is critical as it provides one location where everyone can see what's happening, reducing confusion and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Now that we've done that, let's move on to step 2, setting up a task tracking system. This involves creating columns for task names, assignees, due dates, and progress. The reason we do this is to provide a clear overview of all tasks and their status. This helps us stay organized and maintain a smooth workflow, relieving the pressure of tracking individual tasks. Next up, we'll integrate our communication tools. Airtable allows you to connect with apps like Slack, Zoom, and Google Meet. This is important because it streamlines communication, making it easier for team members to discuss tasks and collaborate. The integration also keeps all your communication in one place, reducing the risk of missing important information. Our fourth step is to use Airtable's automations feature. This is where you can automate routine tasks like sending reminders or updating task statuses. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable checks for certain conditions and performs actions if those conditions are met. This saves you time and ensures consistency in your team's workflow. Lastly, let's set up a system for reporting and feedback. Airtable's powerful reporting tools allow you to create visual reports for your team's progress. This helps us because it offers a tangible way to track performance and identify areas for improvement. So to wrap things up, coordinating remote teams with Airtable involves creating a central hub, setting up a task tracking system, integrating communication tools, using automation, and setting up a system for reporting and feedback. Remember, the key to successful remote team management lies in clear communication, organized task management, and consistent feedback. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you manage your remote teams more effectively using Airtable. Until next time.